So to reassemble this, we're going to put the knock sensor back in. Here's a Bosch one I picked up for about $10. They range between like $10 and $30 online, at least for the Subaru here. You see the old one's quite dirty, new one's clean. When you install this, just put this back, but you're going to want this at a 45-degree angle. I have a picture so you can kind of see the direction of it. It's going to be at the front and the driver's side where the rounded part's going to go. The plug is going to go on the opposite side of 45 degrees. And you're just going to bolt that back down snugly here. Again, it's kind of tight to get in here, but you're just going to tighten this back down exactly how we had it. Originally, once you tighten that down, we're going to plug in the tail itself back into the harness. And then we're just going to reverse all the other parts and pieces that we took out to start with. So that's basically connecting a few of the vacuum lines here that we had. We're going to reconnect here the air box and assembly here. So it's a little bit tight here to get kind of these pliers in here to put the air hoses back on. We're just going to connect this air box back on, bolt that back down. And that's really all there is to it. This was a pretty easy fix. The hardest part was just getting that sensor out because it's real tight in there on the engine block without removing a bunch of other parts and pieces, but it can be done with the right extensions and the right ratchets here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.